This last class we have completed up to question number 4 from exercise 5a. Look at question number 5. Here you have to write whether the sets are finite or infinite, and then you have to write the cardinal numbers of finite set. Exercise 5a, question number 5. A. It is given f is a set of factors of 48. So we'll be writing, therefore f is equal to, what are the factors of 48? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So it is finite. We can see the factors are finite. We have limited factors. We can count it. So you write here f is finite set and cardinal number of f is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this we write the cardinal number. Okay. Now you can see question number 2. 5, 2. Multiples m is equal to set of multiples of 7. So what will be the value of m? Set m constant 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and it goes on. So just where we will write set m is infinite set. If it is finite, we have to write the cardinal number. If it is infinite, we don't need to write the cardinal number because we cannot find the cardinal number of this infinite set. This is for question number 5. Now question number 6, leftovers you will do. Now question number 6, it says which of the following sets are singleton set. Here also it is given in set builder form. We have to write it in roster form, and if the member is only one member set is having, then it would be singleton set, as I have told you yesterday about singleton set. Now look at question number 6. A, it is given f is equal to x. X belongs to natural number and less than 2. So f is equal to only 1, which is natural number, and less than 2. So set f is singleton set. Now number 2, it says h is x. X is a prime number between 13 and 19. So h is equal to, which is the prime number between 13 and 19? Only 17. So this is set h is singleton set. Okay. In this way we have to find the cardinal number, then we have to write whether the sets are singleton or not. You see number 3, it is given all the factors of 2. So all the factors of 2 is 1 and 2. So set A is not a singleton set. This is for question number 6. We have to write the roster form, then we have to see whether one member, then singleton. If not, then not singleton. Now question number 7, it says which of the sets are empty sets. Now again it is given in set builder form. You have to write it in roster form, then only you can write whether it is empty or not. 7a, you can see, is given set of even numbers between 4 and 6. There is no even number between 4 and 6. So this is empty set. Then number 2, it is the month of year with 30 days. So there are so many months in the year with 30 days. April, May, not June, September, November. So this is not empty set. Okay, in this way we have to write. We have to write the set in roster form, then we have to see whether it is empty or not. Now number 8, it says, write the sets if disjoint or overlapping. Now look at number 8. It says which is overlapping or disjoint. Question number 8a. C is equal to letters of the word light. So L, I, G, H, T. And this is number 1. D is equal to letters of the word dark. D, A, R, K. Nothing is common. So C and D are disjoint set. 8-2. Letters of the word smile. Q is equal to S, M, I, L, E. And R is equal to letters of the word matter. M, A, T, E, R. We can see M is common, E is common. So Q and R are overlapping set. Already you know about this, I have explained it. Question number 9. Equal set or equivalent set. When it is equal, if the members are same. And when it is equivalent, if the cardinal numbers are same. Is it? Now you can see number 9, 1. It is given U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And V is equal to A, B, C, D, E. This is cardinal number of U is 5 and cardinal number of V is also 5. So U and V are equivalent set. Now you see 9-2, it is given N is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18 and M is equal to 3N. M belongs to natural number and N is less than 7. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. The same members we have. So we'll write N and M are equal set. Now you have to complete up to question number 10. Question number 10 is a homework. I am not going to do. If it is true, write true, and if it is false, make it true. So next day we will be solving exercise 5B. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.